Welcome once again to my channel, Fog's Business. My name is Ofosu Godwin, a marketing professional and a marketing trainer. In this video, we're going to look at 4 websites that can make you money. 4 websites and apps that can make you money. If you've not subscribed to my channel yet, please kindly hit the subscribe button and subscribe. Don't forget to comment, share, like, and keep watching my videos. Now let's look at these four websites that can make you money. The first one I'm going to talk about is Addslice. Addslice. It's a very interesting platform that make you earn money while you browse on your computer. It is an extension. It is a web browser extension, and it's performed very well on Chrome. It performs very well on Chrome, on the Chrome browser. So on the Chrome browser, you can search for Addslice. That is Addslice, Addslice. You can see it on the screen, and then get the extension embedded in your Chrome browser or in your web browser. It is quite simple. Just go to addslice.com, look for the tab, click on Add Chrome. It's free. You see a blue tab, a tab with the inscription Add Chrome. It's free. A new page opens. When the new page opens, look for another blue button with the inscription Add to Chrome and click on it and add the extension to your Chrome web browser. As you browse, the platform shows up videos. These are well created videos and non-intrusive ads. These are ads rather. Let me talk about ads rather. These are ads which are not intrusive, okay, and they are well created. So anytime you watch these ads, you get a reward. You get paid some amount of money. Even though the money is not too big, the more you watch the ads or the more you browse and you watch these ads display, the more you get money. In about a week, or let's say in a month, averagely you can make about $20. But it depends on how much you watch. The more you watch, the more you get paid. The more you watch, the more you get. So get this browser extension, Addslicer. Watch the display ads, and as you watch the ads, you get reward by getting paid some amount of money. Though this amount of money is not too big, but it could also help you, smoothing out certain bills. Net website I'm going to talk about is Fiverr, which is a very popular website if you are a net citizen, if you're someone who normally browse on the net. Fiverr allows you to offer your services to small businesses as a freelancer. So it's a freelancing website. Fiverr, F-I-V-G-R-R, Fiverr. It allows you to offer your services to small businesses as a freelancer. It is quite simple. All you need to do is to go to Fiverr's website, create a profile, and then put your services that you can offer there, sell your services, and you have the potential of earning. If you are able to market your services very well on Fiverr, you have the potential of earning high. People can earn as much on Fiverr depending on their skills and the type of clients that they get. You can offer services to many businesses or in many areas such as graphic design, digital marketing, video, animation, photography, and even music. The potential clients will contact you for your services. People are making between $5 to even $1,000 and more. Some are even making $10,000 depending on the complexity and the type of client they get and the type of job that they get, right? So you can also earn on Fiverr if you have skills, graphic design, digital marketing, video and animation management, photography, and even music. So check on Fiverr FIVGRR. It's our second website where you can make money. Our next website is Remotask. Remotasks. RGMOTASKS. RGMOTASKS. Remotask. This is also another fantastic platform or another website where you can make money and use it to smoothen some of your bills, and also use it to even probably fund your business that you are doing as a business person, as a small entrepreneur. Remote tax makes you perform simple tasks and then get paid. For example, it can be made to label images, do transcription, audio transcribing, and so on and so forth. Remote tax, it is very simple to get aboard on remote tax. First, you need to sign up. So you go to remotask.com and then you sign up. The next thing is to get trained. So they will train you on how to do the task at hand. So you learn how to do the task through short online courses and training. It is better to be able to learn the task very well, because if you're not able to perform the task, you will not really get paid. So you need to learn, and your ability to even complete the training will also qualify you for tasks to perform and make money. It is quite simple. After you've been trained and you've gone through the training, you are assigned a task to complete and you get paid when you're able to complete the task. It is important to make sure that you complete the task on time. You see, it also the higher you earn, or how to when it comes to earning higher, it is about how quality your work is, how well you're able to undertake the task. So the quality of undertaking the task is another thing. When you are trained on more difficult tasks, you have the possibility of also working on high and difficult tasks and getting higher pay. Remotask is a very interesting platform that can make you earn money. You get trained and then you perform a task and you get paid. My last website is Google Opinion. Google Opinion. This is also an app on the Google Play Store that you can download onto your mobile phone. It makes you take surveys. So you share your opinion on surveys and earn rewards in the form of Google Play credits. So you can accumulate rewards on Google Pay, right, and use that to buy an app on the Google Play Store. So let's say, for example, you need a video editor to edit your videos for your social media page for your business. Through this app or through this website or through this platform, be able to earn rewards on Google Play credits and use it to buy apps on the Google Play Store. You get notifications when surveys are available. So when you download the app and you sign up, you get notifications when surveys are available. The rewards are then saved, and then later, if you want to buy an app on the Google Play Store, you use this to buy.